Welcome to aminacademy.com. In life stories of scientists, let us discuss about Sir Jagadish Chandra Bose. Jagadish Chandra Bose was born on 30 November 1858 in Main Singh, Faridpur, a part of the Dhaka district now in Bangladesh. He attended the village school till he was 11. He then moved to Kolkata where he enrolled in St. Xavier. He was very much interested in biology. However, Father Lafont, a famous professor of physics, inspired in Bose a great interest in physics. Having obtained his BA in physical sciences, 22-year-old Bose left for London to obtain a medical degree. However, he kept falling ill and had to discontinue his plans to be a doctor. He then obtained his BA degree from Christ College, Cambridge. He returned to India in 1885 and joined Presidency College, Kolkata as an assistant professor of physics, where he remained till 1915. There was a peculiar practice in the college at that time. The Indian teachers in the college were paid one third of what the British teachers were paid. So Bose refused his salary but worked for 3 years. The fourth year he was paid in full. He was an excellent teacher, extensively using scientific demonstrations in class. Some of his studies, such as S.N. Bose, went on to become famous physicists themselves. During this period, Bose also started doing original scientific work in the area of microwaves, carrying out experiments involving refractions, diffraction, and polarization. He developed the use of galena crystals for making receivers, both for short wavelengths radio waves and for white and ultraviolet light. In 1895, 2 years before Marconi's demonstrations, Bose demonstrated wireless communications using radio waves, using them to ring a bell remotely and explode some gunpowder. Many of the microwave components familiar today, waveguides, horn antennas, polarizers, dielectric lenses, and prisms, and even semiconductor detectors of electromagnetic radiation were invented and used by Bose in the last decade of the 19th century. He also suggested that existence of electromagnetic radiation from the sun, which was confirmed in 1944. Bose then turned his attention to response phenomena in plants. He showed that not only animal but vegetable tissues produce similar electric response under different kinds of stimuli, mechanical, thermal, electrical, and chemical. Bose was knighted in 1917 and soon after elected Fellow of the Royal Society London, both as physicist and biologist. Bose had worked all along without the right kind of scientific instruments and laboratory. For a long time, he had been thinking of building a laboratory. The result was the establishment of the Bose Research Institute in Kolkata. It continues to be a famous center of research in basic sciences. Now let us discuss further about Sir Jagadish Chandra Bose. Jagadish Chandra Bose, born 1858 and died in 1937, was an Indian scientist who made a significant contribution to many areas of science. He is well known for his work on the wireless transmission of information using microwaves. He also invented a device called crescograph that could detect very small motions within the plant tissues. Early life, born in Munsigani, Bengal Presidency, now in Bangladesh, attended Pubna Zilla School and Dhaka Collegiate School, attended here school and Hindu College in Calcutta, graduated from St. Xavier's College, Calcutta with honors in the natural sciences. Education and career, attended the University of London to study medicine but had to give it up due to health problems. conducted research with Nobel laureate Lord Rayleigh at the University of Cambridge, became a professor of physics at Presidency College, Calcutta, founded the Bose Institute in India in 1970. Achievements: invented a mercury coherer, a radio wave receiver, demonstrated that communications signals can be transmitted without wires, invented a crescograph, a device that could measure the tiny motions made by plants, proved that plants feel pain and understand affections. Other interest: a well-known science fiction writer, one of the first to write and publish science fiction stories in Bengali, a hunter who chased tigers in the Kerala jungles, a scholar who raced in the freezing waters of the Cam River in Cambridge. So far, we discussed shortly about Sir Jagadish Chandra Bose. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.